Hi, a difficult project we've been given is replicating some Ferrari 365 BB seats. These are non-reclining and they have been trimmed in a very unusual fabric which you can't get anymore. We've had it remanufactured from this sample piece you can see here. Where it wraps around the back of this panel, you can see the colour is still the same, and here's some material we've had replicated. Please come downstairs and see me trim the seats. As you can see, the first part in remanufacturing the seat frames is remanufacturing the seat frames. We've done that and they're spot on. We've painted them black, we've covered them in Hessian to help support the foam mouldings, and they've got the correct Prilly webbing on the side for a nice, comfy, joyful journey. The original seats were foam moulded. It's uneconomical to reproduce that effect, so we're making these in block foam, and that's where getting all the contours correct and the angles perfect is a little tricky. You join us with the finished seat. As you've seen, we've made the tubular seat frames in-house, the seat foam mouldings. We've had the material remanufactured to original specification. The fiberglass backs, we've made moulds and had these remanufactured in our own workshop. We've made the aluminium side trims and fit perfectly, and these custom grills that go on the back of the seat to match the original. They're absolutely perfect. And the next part of this seats journey is to be wrapped up very carefully, and they're going to be sent to LA in America, where they join a beautifully restored car. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please get in touch. We'd be delighted to hear from you. See you in the next video.